Here we are at the beginning of the Gibb River Road. There you go, everything's open to all vehicles. This is the beginning. First fuel is at Mount Barnett, 341 kilometres. So turn off there, left to Wyndham, right to Kununurra. Yeah, Vic's going to come back and take some photos. Already got a pile of dust on the back of the caravan. Yeah, Gibb Road, 4-wheel drive is recommended. Drysdale River, Port to Warriner closed. Port Warriner to Columbaroo is closed. And whatever this sign used to say, so everybody's put their stickers up.
Beautiful scenery to look at on the way out, or actually on the Gibb River Road now. Obviously still on bitumen, we've got a while to go before we hit the dirt.
Pentecost River.
At Pentecost River, yes.
Apparently that's where the bitumen and dirt starts.
So we're both looking forward to it.
Yeah. I think we'll probably camp at Pentecost River tonight. Or today, anyhow.
We'll see when we get there.
Yeah, if it's really busy, there's nowhere to park, then we'll probably go on.
Yeah. Well, it's only 8:30 now.
That looks specky.
Yeah, it does, doesn't it? I've got it on here. It's another Messer. I'll look at it here from here, this angle. Australia's got some beautiful scenery. This is the King River we're just going through now. We weren't expecting that one, were we? At the Pentecost River crossing. We're camping here tonight, so we'll be doing that in the morning.
Here we are at the Pentecost River on the Gibb River Road. Just gets fairly busy here in the mornings. People crossing. They were backed up, queued up to get across. So yeah, just sitting here and it's a bit of a breeze. Just keeping it cool at the back of the caravan here. Sit down and watch. I'll put the drone up in a minute and see if we can spot any crocs along the river. Sit here and watch the people crossing the river. There's one coming up now, the caravan. I'd like to get out shortly and start blowing all the tyre pressures. Takes a little while. Yeah, I'll lower the truck down from 100 to 50, and I'll lower the caravans down from 60 to 30. See how that goes. Yeah. There's people coming and going here, setting up. Some more 4-wheel drives going across the river. Not towing anything, but yeah. There's a rock island in the middle. It's worst place to spend the day. We ended up staying an extra day here at the Pentecost crossing, and when you get sunsets like this across the water, yeah, it's just a nice, pleasant spot. Even though it's fairly busy, you got cars coming and go all the time. It is peaceful and relaxing. It's very quiet at night, except when the McCartneys have a party.
Till Rex gets out with the GoPro.
And Vicky starts snoring.
Stop it.
Yeah. But other than that, it's most peaceful. And people you meet here, like-minded, very friendly. There. Some cars coming in. We enjoyed our stay on the Pentecost River. It was, even though it was busy, it was quite peaceful and relaxing. Now, when we did our crossing, I set the drone up, had it all flying in the right angles to do a sideways view of us crossing. Had it all worked out, all set, flying, checked it was working properly, and like a big deal, the one thing I forgot to do was to press play to record. So we don't have any footings, but here's a footage of a person crossing the river from west to east. Sorry.
Can we do the jar? I'm right.
Pentecost.
Pentecost River crossing.